Welcome developers. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete setup and how to customize the ping or mark system in Roblox Studio. This system works in PC and mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, import the system into your game and you will see a new folder appears inside the workspace. Now, open this folder and inside you will find multiple subfolders that contain different parts of the system. Delete these two unnecessary subfolders right here as they are not needed for the setup. Now, drag and drop the rest of the subfolders into their correct location. After placing them, ungroup all of these subfolders. And that's it for the setup. Let's test the game to ensure that everything is working properly. Once the game loads, position your cursor over the target and press Q on the keyboard. As you can see, a colored marker will appear on the target, visually identifying it for you and the other players. The color of the marked ping varies based on the type of the target you choose. That's it for the preview for the PC. Now let's test on how it works on mobile. Just like before, let's test the game in this temporary mobile device. Once the game loads, you will see a button on the right side of the screen. In order to mark the target, face the camera towards it and press the button. Just like before, the colored ping appears on the target you choose. Notice that the character has nothing to do with the target. Instead, it checks the player's camera position. That's it for the overall preview and the setup for mobile and PC. Now, for customization, you need to understand the scripts. Let's dive into it. Now, in the local script, this variable named cooldown determines the waiting time before the player can ping or mark a target again. You can change its value based on your preference. If you want to change the keybind to mark the target, you can do so by modifying this code right here. Instead of enum.keycode.q, you can change the type to enum.keycode.f or enum.keycode.g based on what you like the most. If you do not want the player image to show in the marked ping, you can simply set the value to false in the show image boolean. Additionally, if you want to customize the button for the mobile users, you can do this by changing the values right here. Now, in the module script, this variable determines the distance at which the player can mark the target. Even if the target is far, it can be marked or pinged. You can change this based on what's best for your game. Next is the duration. This player tells how long the ping will stay before it gets destroyed. I prefer keeping it at 5 or 6 seconds, but you can choose it however you like. Now, you may have noticed that the ping mark has a different color based on the target. If the target has a tag called ally, then the color changes. Based on your game, if you have a new tag that should have a different colored ping, then you need to update this module script. Plus, if you have your own template, make sure you update the module script accordingly. The current module script works only for the template which I have shown in the video. That's it for the setup. I hope you find this system useful. For any doubts or queries, it's best for you to ask that in my Discord server. The link is given in the description. Consider liking and subscribing as I'm planning to upload more giveaway models for free from now on.